Sprinkle cloves onto a toilet paper roll. This trick solved so many problems for me. Grab a bowl and place a regular toilet paper roll inside. Pour warm water over it so the paper soaks through and becomes soft. After a moment, remove the cardboard tube from the center. Now squeeze out the excess water. The paper should be only slightly damp. Tear it into smaller pieces and fill a container with them. The pieces can be different sizes. Now prepare the cloves. They have a strong, spicy scent that lingers in the air for a long time. Add 1 spoonful of cloves to a grinder and blend them into a fine powder to make the scent even stronger. Take another bowl and pour in about 200 milliliters of warm water. Add the ground cloves. Stir in half a spoonful of cinnamon to boost the mix and make the aroma even more intense and long-lasting. Finally, add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Let it sit for about 20 minutes so the ingredients blend together. After that, pour the mixture over the paper in the container. Cover it with aluminum foil and poke small holes in it so the aroma can slowly release. And that's it. Your natural air freshener is ready. Place it in the living room or any room, and the scent will spread quickly. You can also set it near a window or a balcony door. The smell creates a pleasant barrier and can help reduce mosquitoes, moths, ants, and other insects. A simple way to keep bugs out of your home, no chemicals and no effort. Sprinkle cinnamon with salt, and you won't believe the results. Prepare a glass bowl and pour coarse salt into it. Salt works as a natural absorber of moisture and odors, and thanks to its structure, it holds the other ingredients in place. It slowly absorbs aromas and releases them into the air, making it an ideal base. Take fabric softener, measure 1 cap, and add it to the salt. Next, add a handful of cloves. They contain natural essential oils that release gradually, enhance the scent, refresh the air, and help neutralize unpleasant odors. Then prepare 4 cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon, like cloves, contains intense aromatic oils. Press the cinnamon sticks into the salt. Add vinegar as the final ingredient. It helps refresh the space and reduces unwanted odors. Your mixture is ready. Place it on a table to gently freshen the room, by a window where airflow will help release the scent while absorbing moisture, or in the toilet to keep the space smelling fresh. It's a simple, low-cost way to reduce moisture and bring a pleasant scent into your home.